This course is a series of videos discussing the different parts of speech. At the end of each lesson, a diagnostic quiz is given to assess your mastery and retention of the topics discussed. You can review the lessons before taking the quiz. In the former video, we learned that nouns are words that name people, places, things, living or non-living. In this video, we will study the different kinds of nouns. Nouns are divided into two kinds: the concrete and the abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are further classified as proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, count nouns, and mass nouns or uncountable nouns. First, let's have a look at proper nouns. By definition, proper nouns are names of specific persons, places, things, and events. These are usually written without the articles the, an before them and begin with capital letters. Here are some examples of proper nouns. These are specific names of persons. Each name refers to a specific or particular person, not to any man or woman. In our examples, Michael does not refer to any man, but only Michael. This is the same with Donna, Duyun, Akihiro, Abdul Karim and Cindy. Here are some examples of specific names of places. Take note that the first letters are always capitalized. The names refer to only one particular country or place and not any place. In our examples, Korea, Japan, and Saudi Arabia refer to specific countries and not any country. Disneyland refers to a particular park and not any park. There is only one Red Sea and only one Mount Everest. Here are some examples of proper nouns. These are specific names of things and begin with capital letters. In our examples, Coca-Cola refers to one particular brand of soft drink and not to any soft drink. Ford Everest refers to a particular car and not any other car. The same with other specific things given in the examples. Words used as brand name are proper nouns.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel now. Want to help me create more free courses? Buy me a cup of coffee at Ko-Fi to help me stay awake at midnight. Scan the QR code to visit my Ko-Fi page.